past few years, Gurgaon has emerged as one of the leading warehousing hubs. Though few years back, Delhi used to be the main warehousing hub with godown type structures. But rising competition and changing technology forced companies to reduce cost and attain economies of scale, which meant that companies needed bigger and more advanced warehouses. Hi, I am Naveen Tomar, co-founder, managing partner, Quest for Realty. अगर आप गुड़गांव या इसके आसपास की लोकेशंस पे वेयरहाउस स्पेस ढूंढ रहे हैं, अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं कौन कौन से मेन हब्स हैं, क्लस्टर्स हैं गुड़गांव के आसपास वेयरहाउसिंग के, और अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं कौन कौन से लोकेशंस पे क्या क्या रेंटल्स हैं, देन वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड टू फाइंड ऑल दिस इंफॉर्मेशन.
Being located close to IGI airport, good road infrastructure, multiple mega highways like NH48 and KMP, availability of good amount of open land made Gurgaon a perfect location for a warehousing hotspot. And this is how Gurgaon started turning into a warehousing hub.
For an understanding, we can divide Gurgaon warehouse market into two clusters. One is before Manesar Toll and another is after Manesar Toll.
The warehousing clusters before Manesar Toll Plaza, or also known as Khirki Dhola Toll Plaza, are Udyog Vihar, Behrampur, Sona Road and Bhondsi, and some other locations near the toll like Khirki Dhola Village, Narsinghpur, Begumpur Khatola, Sector 35, Pace City 1 and 2 and Gadi Harsaru. At Udyog Vihar, you can get 2,000 to 50,000 square feet area and the rent is between 25 to 40 rupees per square feet. At Behrampur, Bhondsi and Sona Road, the area range is between 3,000 to 50,000 square feet and the rent hovers between 18 to 25 rupees per square feet. For bigger areas, you will have to go for build to suit options. Khirki Dhola, Narsinghpur, Begumpur Khatola, सेक्टर 35 और पेस सिटी, ये सभी लोकेशंस आस पास ही हैं और हाईवे से सटे हुए हैं. इन सब लोकेशंस पर आपको 3,000 से 50,000 स्क्वायर फीट तक एरिया मिल जाएगा और यहाँ पर रेंट रेंज जो है वो 18 से 25 रुपये पर स्क्वायर फीट के बीच में है. गढ़ी हरसरू एंड गोपालपुर आर स्लाइटली अवे फ्रॉम NH48 बट हैव गुड रोड कनेक्टिविटी. At these locations, you can get 10,000 to 80,000 square feet area within the rent range of 15 to 18 rupees per square feet.
वैसे तो गुड़गांव में बहुत सारे वेयरहाउसिंग क्लस्टर्स हैं, लेकिन उनमें जो सबसे फेमस वेयरहाउसिंग क्लस्टर्स हैं वो है फरूख नगर, पटौदी रोड, ताउडू रोड, जमालपुर. Taudu Road or Jamalpur has become specifically famous these days because of the opening up of KMP or Western Peripheral Expressway.
Once we move further from Khirki Dhola Toll on NH48, then we come across warehousing clusters like Manesar, Panchgaon Jamalpur Road, Binola, Taudu Road, Bilaspur Pataudi Road and Jamalpur Pataudi Road. All these locations are very close to KMP and NH48 both and have become a major warehousing hub. Another warehousing cluster which is equally popular is Farooq Nagar. It is slightly away from NH48 but is close to KMP entry exit point, and via Jhajjar Road it gets connected to NH352 which merges in NH1 or GT Karnal Road directly. At Manesar, you can find 3,000 to 50,000 square feet within the budget range of 15 to 25 rupees per square feet. And for bigger areas, you need to look out for build to suit property. At Taudu Road, Bilaspur, Bhorakala, Jamalpur, Panchgaon, you can rent a warehouse from 10,000 square feet to 1,50,000 square feet within the budget range of 18 to 20 rupees per square feet. However, there are also good options available in BTS model if you have plans for areas bigger than 2 to 3 lakh square feet. At Farooq Nagar also, you can find warehouses in all sizes and the rent range is 16 to 20 rupees per square feet.